Google's Pixel lineup has emerged as a powerhouse in the smartphone world over the years, winning the hearts of enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike. Known for delivering robust performance, sleek designs, and a clean software experience, Pixel phones have carved a niche among flagship devices. Now, with Google I/O just around the corner, the anticipation for the latest Pixel 10 series is reaching a fever pitch. Pixel 10 Pro, a peek into the future. While Google continues to guard the details of its upcoming flagship tightly, leaks and rumors have started to surface, giving us tantalizing glimpses of what may be in store. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the Pixel 10 Pro, including its rumored specifications, design, and pricing. Refined design leaked renders indicate that Google has chosen to retain the popular design language of the Pixel 9 Pro for the Pixel 10 Pro. Expect flat edges, a punch-hole front camera accompanied by symmetrical bezels, and the iconic rear camera visor. But that's not all. The Pixel 10 Pro might take a bold step by ditching the matte finish and embracing an all-glossy frame. This subtle yet significant shift underscores Google's intention to refine the feel and aesthetic of the device, ensuring it delivers a more premium experience for users. Rumored specifications. While exact details remain under wraps, the Pixel 10 Pro is widely expected to push boundaries with top-tier specifications that enhance performance and usability. From upgraded camera capabilities to lightning-fast processors, this device is poised to compete with the crème de la crème of flagship smartphones in 2025. A premium experience beyond its hardware, the Pixel 10 Pro will likely continue to embody Google's commitment to seamless software integration. With features tailored to improve everyday tasks, streamline user interactions, and optimize efficiency, the Pixel series consistently sets a benchmark for clean and intuitive usability. Why the Pixel 10 Pro is generating buzz. The rumored design and specifications are undoubtedly exciting, but there's more to the Pixel 10 Pro than just its looks and capabilities. As Google evolves its offerings, the anticipation surrounding its flagship phones is a testament to the company's ability to deliver innovation while staying true to the core values of the Pixel lineup. With each iteration, Pixel phones raise the bar for smartphones that combine simplicity, functionality, and a touch of sophistication. Stay tuned for official updates. As we eagerly await Google's keynote event at I/O, the countdown to the Pixel 10 series unveiling has officially begun. Whether you're a longtime Pixel user or a newcomer to the series, the Pixel 10 Pro promises to be a showstopper packed with cutting-edge technology and thoughtful design. Keep an eye out for updates and brace yourself for what's shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year.